and welcome to Charts of the Day video. My name is Eric. Today is the 21st of December, around 10:40 p.m. Eastern Time. And here we go, guys, with the Charts of the Day video. The Charts of the Day is a session that we present every day in Elliott Wave Forecast, in which we provide followers, non-members, with an idea about a particular instrument among the 78 that we cover in the daily basis. All you have to do is visit the site, Elliott Wave Forecast. You scroll down here, and you're going to see the Charts of the Day session. Right there, you're going to be able to see the latest Charts of the Day, and also watch the video that is attached to the Charts of the Day. For today's Charts of the Day, we're going to take a look at Amazon. Amazon, like most of the technology sector, and most of the market, to be honest with you guys, when it comes to indices, there has been in a decline since the peak either in late 2021 or in early 2022, right here, right? This is the peak. This is around here when the indices peak in the market. And Amazon, this is the weekly view, right, by the way. And Amazon is developing down there to the downside in what we call a WXY structure. What is a WXY structure? It's reflected in this chart, and it is an A, B, and C, 3 weeks lower that create W. If we look at Amazon, we have A, B, and C to the lows around May, June of this year. At that stage, Amazon reached the blue box buying area. That's the reason, technical reason of the bounce. Nothing else matter. But Amazon right there fell in the bounce, and then it renewed lower. And now, after breaking this base of these lows, Amazon is clearly where it was a zigzag over here, like it's showing in this chart, a zigzag. It breaks the lows of the C, then open the legs on the Y that comes with 2 equal legs from the X and 2 equal legs from here to finish Y. So with that being said in mind, Amazon there is trading lower now, and what we believe is the final push with an idea target that comes at 58.98, 38.25. Who will say that, right? Amazon is correcting the grand super cycle, and it has declined tremendously over $100 since the peak at 188. At this stage, when you guys see the arrows, is what we're going to show now in the 1 hour, which is the peak that we have last week at a 96.26. From there, we believe that Amazon has done 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we believe now that Amazon is going to go and is going to do an ABC within the next few days, and it should be holding the highs of December the 13th. And then after this correction and 3-way finish, I believe that Amazon will continue lower, right, and into the target around 60, 58, 98 area. That's how we see Amazon. Very technical. It's a WXY from the peak, and we should be someplace in the middle of the Y, which in this case is described as a simple ABC, but sometimes the Y's right here can become corrective, and they can become in swing of 3 ways. And that is the case in Amazon, because the first leg is clear to see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC. So we should be entering the wave 3 of A, B, and C lower within the black degree right there. So very technical expectation, continuation lower against 96.26. For the next few days, we should be bouncing in 3 ways before the downside renew. This is how we explain the market. No fundamental, nothing about events or anything, pure technical, pure Elliott Wave, just that we modified Elliott Wave to something better, right? To something better, which a lot of new techniques to make it less suggested. If you like our video, we have a tremendous promotion as we speak in Elliott Wave Forecast. We have the Christmas week promotion. You buy 1 month of a membership, you get 1 month free. So this promotion is gonna end sometimes during this week. Take advantage. You save 100% of your money if you do that. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you around Elliott Wave Forecast. Thank you guys all. Have a good day. Good night, everyone. Thank you.